Good afternoon, everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel, Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos related to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss some problem of partial differentiation. Okay? Now problem first, transform Laplace differential equation into polar form. Again, we repeat. This is Laplace second order partial differential equation. Now it will convert into polar form, that is in terms of u, r and theta. Okay, student? We know that polar coordinate x is equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. Now squaring and adding both, x square plus y square equal to r square, and dividing, then we get theta is equal to tan inverse y upon x. Now partial differentiate with respect to x, 2r del r upon del x is equal to 2x. Now y is constant here, therefore del r upon del x equal to x upon r. Now putting the value of x, r cos theta upon r. Now this by cancel this, that is del r upon del x is equal to cos theta. Similarly, del r upon del y will be y upon r. Now putting the value of y, r sin theta upon r, that is del r upon del y will be sin theta. Okay? Now partial differential with respect to x in theta, that is del theta upon del x. This is equal to 1 upon 1 plus y square upon x square into minus y upon x square, that is minus y upon x square plus y square. Now putting the value of y, minus k r sin theta, or the value of x square plus y square is equal to r square. That is the del theta upon del x will be minus sin theta upon r. Similarly, the partial differential with respect to y in theta, del theta upon del y is equal to 1 upon 1 plus y square upon x square into 1 upon x, that is x upon x square plus y square. Now put the value of x, r cos theta upon r square, that is del theta upon del y is equal to cos theta upon r. Now we can say u is equal to function of xy. Consider by equation number A. Okay. Now u is function of xy, but x and y both are function of r and theta. Now partial differentiate with respect to x here, del u del x, this is equal to del u del r, then del r upon del x plus del u del theta and del theta upon del x. Now put the value of del r upon del x, this is equal to cos theta del u del r, the value of sin del theta upon del x is equal to minus sin theta upon r, del u upon del theta. This is the value of del u upon del x. implies that del upon del x is equal to cos theta del upon del r minus sin theta upon r del upon del theta. Okay, the first line here, del u upon del x is equal to cos theta del u del r minus sin theta upon r del u upon del theta, where del upon del x is a partial differential coefficient operator and u is a function. Now in this case, cos theta del upon del r minus sin theta upon r del upon del theta is a polar differential operator and del upon del x is a Cartesian differential operator. Now here we can say the value of Cartesian differential operator convert into polar differential equation, polar differential coefficient or operator in terms of r and theta. Okay, now we can calculate del 2u upon del x2 equal del upon del x of del u upon del x. Now put the value of del upon del x, cos theta del upon del r minus sin theta upon r del upon del theta. Now value of del u upon del x here, cos theta del u del r minus sin theta upon r del u upon del theta. Okay, now this is the function and this is the operator. Now there are two operators, del upon del r operate the function of r. Now here r is three terms of r. First term del u upon del r, second 1 upon r, and third del u upon del theta. That is, we provide del upon del r is 3 terms. Similarly, del upon del theta provide 4 terms, since function has 4 function of theta. Now cos theta first term, del u upon del r second, sin theta third, and del u upon del theta 4 term. Okay, now operate del upon del r, that is cos square theta differential of del u upon del r del 2u upon del r2. Now here minus plus differential of 1 upon r minus 1 upon r square. Now minus minus plus cos theta sin theta cos theta upon r del 2u del theta 2 minus sin theta cos theta upon r del 2u del r del theta. Okay, now here partial differentiate with respect to theta of cos theta minus sin theta, that is minus minus plus sin square theta upon r del u del r as it. Now minus sin theta cos theta upon r differential of del u del r, that is del 2u del theta del r. Now differentiation of sin theta minus minus plus sin theta cos theta upon r square del u upon del theta as it. Now plus sin square theta upon r square del 2u upon del theta 2. Okay, first, second and third term due to del upon del r, and last 4 terms due to operator del upon del theta. Now we can write del 2u upon del s2 is equal to cos square theta del 2u del r2. Now del sin theta cos theta upon r del 2u upon del theta 2 . the second term sin theta cos theta minus sin theta and differential 1 upon r minus 1 upon r square, that is minus minus plus, and del u upon del theta as it, del u upon del theta as it. And next term minus sin theta cos theta upon r del 2 r del theta del u del theta plus differentiation of cos minus के sin minus minus plus sin square theta upon r del u upon del r is minus sin theta cos theta upon r del 2 u del theta del r. Now minus minus plus sin theta cos theta upon r square del u del theta as it. Now minus minus plus sin square theta upon r square del 2 u upon del theta 2. Okay. Now here this term and this term is add, that is 2 sin theta cos theta upon r square del u upon del theta. This term and this term are add, that is minus 2 sin theta cos theta del 2 u del r del theta plus sin square theta upon r del u del r plus sin square theta upon r square del 2 u del theta 2. This is equation number first. Similarly, we can calculate del 2 u upon del y 2 or direct sin theta changing cos theta and cos theta changing minus sin theta. In our equation, we get del 2u upon del y2. This is equal to sin square theta del 2u del r square minus 2 sin theta cos theta upon r square del u del theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta upon r del 2u del r del theta plus cos square theta upon r del u del r plus cos square theta upon r square del 2u upon del theta 2. This is represented by equation number 2. Adding first and second, we get del 2u upon del s2 plus del 2u upon del y2. The second terms and third terms both are cancelled. Now we get cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, that is del 2u upon del r square plus the fourth term 1 upon r del u upon del r common, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 upon r del u upon del r plus 1 upon r square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 and del 2u upon del theta 2. The value of del u upon del s2 plus del 2u upon del y2 will be 0, implies we get del 2u upon del r2 plus 1 upon r del u del r plus 1 upon r square del 2u del theta 2 is equal to 0. This is the polar form of differential equation, Laplace differential equation. Now second problem, if u equal f x minus y, y minus z, comma z minus x, then prove that ux plus uy plus uz is equal to 0. Okay. Since u is equal to function of x minus y, comma y minus z, comma z minus x, represented by equation first. Now partial differentiation with respect to x, then we get here x plus x and minus x. Now differentiation of first x, that is f dash x minus y, comma y minus z, comma z minus x. Now here minus 1, f dash x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, represented by equation first. Similarly, we can calculate uy, that is del u upon del y, minus f dash x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, plus f dash x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. This is represented by equation second. Similarly, uz minus f dash x minus y, y minus z, comma z minus x, plus f dash x minus y, y minus z, comma z minus x, represented by equation number 3. Now adding equation first, second and third, we get ux plus uy plus uz is equal to 0. Okay, this is the complete.